Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button.
The two kitten sisters are adorable, but often get into mischief around the house. One day, the playful kittens knocked over a flower pot and spilled soil and water everywhere, leaving their mother cat to clean up the mess. While tidying up the spilled water, the mother cat accidentally slipped and hurt herself. Feeling guilty and concerned, the two kitten sisters immediately started cleaning the house themselves. Thankfully, the mother cat only had minor injuries and soon recovered, rejoining her caring and now more considerate kittens.
Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button.